8448. Where should you find this entry? Removed right wing from aircraft and removed skin from outer 6 feet. Repaired buckled spar 49 inches from tip in accordance with Figure B in the manufacturer's Structural Repair Manual number 28-1. A. Aircraft engine maintenance record. B. Aircraft minor repair and alteration record. C. FAA Form 337. The correct answer is C. The FAA Form 337, minor repair and alteration form, would be used to describe the repair in the manner illustrated above. When an airframe, engine, propeller, or other equipment has had a major repair or major change, this form must be filled out. 8449. Which maintenance action is an airframe major repair? A. Changes to the wing or to fixed or movable control surfaces which affect flutter and vibration characteristics. B. Rewinding the field coil of an electrical accessory. C. The repair of portions of skin sheets by making additional seams. The correct answer is C. The other options on this list aren't substantial repairs to the airframe. 8450. Which aircraft record entry is the best description of the replacement of several damaged heli-coils in a casting? A. 81 divided by 4 to 20-inch standard heli-coils were replaced. The damaged inserts were extracted, the tapped holes gauged, then new inserts installed, and tangs removed. B. 81 divided by 4 to 20-inch standard heli-coils were installed in place of damaged ones. C. 81 divided by 4 to 20-inch standard heli-coil inserts were repaired by replacing the damaged inserts with a Loctite insert after the tapped holes were checked for corrosion. The correct answer is A. The best description of the replacement of several damaged heli-coils in a casting is 81 divided by 4-20-inch standard heli-coils were replaced. The damaged inserts were extracted, the tapped holes gauged, then new inserts installed, and tangs removed. This entry provides a clear and detailed explanation of the repair actions taken, including the size and type of the heli-coils used, as well as the steps taken to ensure proper installation. This information is important for maintaining accurate records of the aircraft maintenance history and ensuring that future maintenance is performed correctly. 8451. Which maintenance record entry best describes the action taken for a control cable showing approximately 20% wear on several of the individual outer wires at a fairlead? A. Where within acceptable limits, repair not necessary. B. Removed and replaced the control cable and re-rigged the system. C. Cable repositioned, worn area moved away from fairlead. The correct answer is A. When the individual wires in each strand seem to tend together, outer wires worn 40 to 0%, flexible and extra flexible control cable has to be replaced. Since just 20% of these wires are damaged, the wear is acceptable and no repair is required. 8452. Which maintenance record entry best describes the action taken for? A. 125-inch deep dent in a straight section of 112-inch aluminum alloy tubing. B. Dent within acceptable limits, repair not necessary. C. Dented section removed and replaced with identical new tubing flared to 97 degrees. The correct answer is C. The tube's straight section has a dent that is deep enough to require removal. A dent that is up to 0.1 inches deep, or 20% of the tube's diameter, is acceptable and should not be removed. The damaged part would need to be taken out and replaced with brand new tubing that was similar but flared to 37 foot. C. Dented section removed and replaced with identical new tubing flared to 45 degree.